guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be reviewing the My Life as Hello Kitty cooking set. First we are going to start off with the mixer. So this mixer is actually really cool because there's a button on the top that makes the whisk move, which I think is adorable. And it also has this little bowl and it has Hello Kitty on it. We're gonna look at the dough. This dough is actually clay, which I think is cool. So it actually has like real clay inside that you can make the pasta and cookies with. Okay, so now we're gonna look at this attachment. So this attachment is to put the clay in, and you can attach it to the mixer and you can make pasta. So that's what I think is really cool about this set. So now we're gonna look at the tomato sauce. So I am really obsessed with this because of the design of it. It's just really adorable, and it has a little Hello Kitty, and it actually is very detailed. So yeah. That's the plate. So this is the plate. Yeah. The plate looks like by itself. It's really cute, and this is what the fork looks like. It comes with the fork. And these are the cookies. There is one Hello Kitty winking cookie, and there's this with the bow cookie. Next is the Hello Kitty pie. I adore this Hello Kitty pie so much. It has a little Hello Kitty on it, and it's just very detailed and textured. Next is the Hello Kitty tablespoons and teaspoons. So first there's a little Hello Kitty charm on it, and we have the little teaspoons and tablespoons. I love this because of how miniature it is and how realistic they look. So next is the tray. So this is the tray. It's to like put the cookies on in the dough so we can make the cookies with these are the little cookie cutters, and I love them. Out of the clay dough, and yeah, to make little cookies out of. This is the rolling pin. Yep, it's just a rolling pin to roll the dough, and yeah. So this is also the spatula where we could take out the cookies from the hot oven. This is what the set looks like, and these are all the pieces that it comes with, just in one piece, so you guys can see what it looks like. So overall, the set is actually a really good set, and I really love it. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the clay and what it looks like. So yeah. Guys, I'm back, and I'm going to be using the clay and seeing how to make these the pasta and the cookies. So yeah. I'm just opening the dough so then I could make the cookies, and then I'll show you guys how to make the pasta. Okay, so I'm just about to cut out the cookies. So yeah. Okay, so here's the bow cookie. The cookies did come out a bit thicker than I expected, but yeah. So now I'm gonna be making the Hello Kitty cookie. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, and as I said again, it's a bit thicker, but I really like it, and they're really good. So now I'm gonna be making the pasta. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to make the pasta. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in. This is gonna be a practice piece so I can see if it actually works. So as you can see, it actually started working. So yeah, so this is what it looked like. So now I'm gonna do the real deal and try making a bigger one. It ended up working, and I really love the results. It's like a little pasta. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. We kind of set it up more, and we put the pasta with a little fork. Overall, this set was probably a 10 out of 10. I really like this set because of the interactive things that you could do with it. and I really love this set, so I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, see you guys in the next set. Guys, so now we're back with the Christmas set. So this is the Christmas set that we got. By the way, we bought both of these from Walmart, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys the set and what it looks like in the package. Okay, so it comes with the Christmas countdown. It also comes with a little piping bag, some cookies, a little milk, a Christmas tree, carrots, ornaments, and reindeer dust. Okay, so that's the Christmas tree when it's decorated. It has some of the ornaments on it, and in general, it's just a really cute tree. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys the plate. So basically, it has, so this is what the plate looks like. It's a really cute plate, and I really like it. So you can put the carrots on it for the reindeers. And these are the two little cookies. They color change too. Okay, so this is the piping bag. You can fill it up with cold water, so you can put on the cookies, and they could color change. So this is also the milk glass. It says milk for Santa, and yeah, you can put it next to the cookies so Santa could drink them. This is also the reindeer dust, and I really like it. It shakes and it has glitter in it when you shake it, which is really cool. I really like it. So yeah, it's really cute. This is also a little thing about the reindeer dust, so you guys can pause and read it. These are the Christmas countdown blocks. I really like them. They can also separate, so you could change the date of them. That one fell. But yeah. So these are really cute, and as you can see, you can change the dates, you can take them off and on. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. But the cubes are detachable, so you could change them to whatever numbers you want. So I changed mine. So yeah, I really like this Christmas countdown. It's really cute, and it just goes super nice, and I love it. So I rate this one 10 out of 10. I really like it and how it's very interactive like the other one. So yeah, this is the end of the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.